Number 7 tells us that we have a blend of massage oil that is made by mixing lavender oil, which sells at $8 per ounce, with jojoba oil, which sells for $3 per ounce. If the blend is worth $5 per ounce, how many ounces of lavender oil are needed to make 25 ounces of the blend? So since we have a pretty long, convoluted word question here, we don't want to waste our time figuring out multiple equations in order to solve this, when we can solve this really, really simply using what we got in our answer choices. So anytime we use what we have, we want to start with our middle answer choice. And since the question is asking us how many ounces of lavender are needed, we're going to say that we have 15 ounces of lavender and give that a shot. So if we have 15 ounces of lavender at $8 per ounce, $8 times 15 is $120. So that's going to be how much we spent on the lavender. Now, if we know we have 25 ounces in total and we use 15 for the lavender, that means that we're going to need 10 ounces of jojoba. So 10 ounces at $3 per ounce is going to be $30. So if we add that together, we end up with $150. And we know that it's $150 for 25 ounces. So if you divide 150 by 25, you're going to get $6 per ounce. But the question only told us that it cost $5 per ounce. So if we ask ourselves, do we need more lavender or less lavender? Since lavender is the expensive one, we don't want to get more lavender, we want to get less, since $6 is already too much, since we need 5. So we get rid of 15 and we're going to drop it down to 12. So if we have 12 ounces of lavender at $8 an ounce, 12 times 8 gives us 96. And then if there's 25 ounces in total, 25 minus 12 gives us 13. And if you have 13 ounces times $3 per ounce, that's going to be $39. So now what we want to do is add these two together, and that's going to give us 135. So if we divide 135 by 25, first of all, we know it's going to be a decimal, and we need it to be a whole number 5. So that's not going to be our answer there. So that is, once again, still too big. So then we try 10. So if we have 10 ounces of the lavender and 25 ounces in total, that leaves us 15 ounces of jojoba. 10 ounces at $8 an ounce gives us $80. And then 15 ounces at $3 an ounce gives us $45. If we add that together, we get 125. Divide 125 by 25, that's going to give us our $5 per ounce. And so our answer for question 7 is A.